I have 3 pennies here, and they're very dirty. Do you think you can help me clean them? Can you put them into your dish? I have some directions here to tell me how to clean dirty pennies. I'm supposed to use some salt and some vinegar. So let's put some vinegar inside. Okay, can you clean the pennies for me? I don't think they're getting any cleaner. Do you think so? They look the same to me. I better read the directions again. Put pennies in dish, add vinegar and salt. I forgot the salt. I didn't follow the directions. Let's try it with salt. Okay, let's stir this up really well. We're going to stir it up so that the salt and the vinegar are mixed together. Now, let's try again. Can you clean the pennies now?
The pennies are getting cleaner.
They are. These pennies are definitely looking cleaner. You know, it makes a big difference when we follow the directions or obey the directions. If we don't obey or follow the directions, sometimes things don't go the way that they're supposed to. It's important to obey. Obey our parents and our teachers and our grandparents, and it's important to obey God. When we follow the directions that God gives us, things go a lot better. This experiment also helps us remember that sometimes we're like the vinegar. We try to obey all by ourselves, and it doesn't work out very well for us. We really need the Holy Spirit to help us obey. The Holy Spirit is like the salt. When the Holy Spirit helps us, it's a lot easier to obey. Let's pull out these pennies. Let's look and see how much cleaner they are. Here's a paper towel. Let's put the pennies on the paper towel and look at them. Wow, using salt and vinegar together really made a difference to clean up those pennies. If you have some dirty pennies at home, you can do this too if you ask a parent to help you. And when you do, remember, it's important to follow the directions. It's important to follow God's directions. And if we need some help obeying, we can always ask the Holy Spirit to help us obey.